like to play vacuum?
Vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, ready? Okay, good Lord, don't pour half the box out. Go, Mecha!
Get it, Marcus!
Get it, Mecha Mac! Oh, Mecha Sam's eating some.
It's all over the place.
Marcus, go in a straight line and finish an area.
He was like, forget it, Marcus.
Look, Sam is staying in one area. He has not moved his feet, and he's eating the Cheerios. Marcus, you've gone all over the place.
And who do you think's getting more?
Sam?
I think Marcus is. Because Marcus just, he doesn't even chew, he just inhales.
Mikey, look, there! Marcus!
Oh, he'll get it. He tries to get the ones all around Sam first, and then he doesn't get the other ones.
Look, ha-ha! Attack from above. You're not finished, Marcus. Oh. Uh-oh, Sam's cleaning up. Did you finish, Marky Mark?
Did you get them all, boys?
Marcus, yes, there. There's one over there. There's one over there.
Where?
Sam just stepped on it. Sam, that one. You just step on it again. Look,
Oh,
look,
just a little piece.
look, boy. Look there. Oh, got it. Hey, you play vacuum cleaner. Good boy, Sam.
No, we have them off the floor.
Sammy. Sam, Sammy, can you sit? Can you give me a paw? All right. Marky, can you sit? Can you sit? Don't bite me.
Marcus, sit. Marcus, sit. Sit.
No, he's still playing vacuum cleaner.
Sit. Marcus.
No, he's still in Hoover mode. Good boy, Sam.